Are you a nurse planning to work in Qatar in 2026? Or maybe you are already in Qatar and wondering government project or a private hospital. Which option will pay you better? Stay with us till the end of this video because today we will break down real nursing salaries in Qatar 2026, compare government projects versus private hospitals, and help you decide what's best for your career. Firstly, let's discuss why Qatar is still a top destination for nurses in 2026. Before we talk money, let's quickly understand why nurses are still choosing Qatar in 2026. First, tax-free salary. Second, world-class healthcare infrastructure. Third, high demand for experienced nurses. Fourth, free or subsidized accommodation. Fifth and the last, strong currency and stable economy. And with major healthcare expansions continuing, nursing salaries in Qatar have become more competitive than ever. Nursing salary in Qatar 2026. Government projects. Now, let's start with government projects, the dream option for many nurses. Nurse salaries in Qatar's government hospitals ranges between 4,000 to 6,000 QAR per month. Also, the salary depends on experience, department, and the project type. Government project benefits: free accommodation or housing allowance, free transportation, annual air ticket, paid annual leaves, end of service gratuity, excellent job security, structured promotions and increments. Government projects may not always pay the highest basic salary, but the overall package is extremely strong. The challenges in government projects: longer recruitment process, strict policies, limited flexibility in transfers. But if stability and long-term growth are your priorities, then this is gold. Nursing salary in Qatar 2026. Private hospitals. Now let's talk about private hospitals, which many nurses choose for faster hiring and higher flexibility. Nurse salaries in Qatar's private hospitals also ranges between 3,000 to 6,000 QAR per month, depending on experience, department and project type. Private hospital benefits: faster recruitment, performance-based incentives, overtime opportunities, flexible job roles, exposure to diverse cases. Accommodation may be shared or partially covered. The drawbacks of private hospitals: lower job security compared to government hospitals. Benefits are considered basic. The workload can be higher. Private hospitals are perfect for nurses who want quick entry into Qatar and hands-on experience. Government projects, if you want long-term stability, prefer strong benefits. Are you planning to settle in Qatar? Choose private hospitals if you want faster placements, need international experience quickly, and are open to flexibility and growth. There's no wrong choice, only the right one for your career goals. How Dynamic Health Staff can help you. At Dynamic Health Staff, we help nurses like you to apply for Qatar government projects, get placed in reputed private and government hospitals, prepare documents and interviews. Choose the best option based on your profile. If you are interested, you can contact Dynamic Health Staff today by emailing us at healthcare@dynamichealthstaff.com, or you can call us. Your nursing career abroad starts here with Dynamic Health Staff.
Scan the QR code to stay informed about the latest jobs and follow us on social media.